Everyone's talks about Steam Deck, but what if you could build your own open source console? One that you control, one that updates exactly how you want, and one that runs on your games smoother than you'd expect today. I'm building it, at least in my imagination. So let's see what it might look like. Look, Steam Deck is great, but it still locks you into Valve's ecosystem. Proton, SteamOS, Steam IU. You get what they give you. But a lot of us want something different. A console that boots straight into a clean gaming interface, no ads, no tracking, no forced accounts, full control over updates and hardware. You can swap, upgrade, or repair. That's where NixOS and Quasar come in. This isn't a handheld. This is a sovereign gaming box. The hardware. Here's the beauty. You don't need anything fancy. I'm using a simple Optiplex desktop. The same one that runs the smooth on Linux than it ever did on Windows 11. You can use a mini PC, a refurbished office tower, a small form factor build, even an old gaming PC. If it runs Linux, it'll run this. Nix is OS. Is the secret weapon. It's just another distro. It's a configuration as a code system. That means your entire console setup is one file you can rebuild in a minute. The updates don't break anything. You can roll back instantly. And your system stays clean forever. For a console, that's perfect. No drift, no bloat, no surprises. Quasar is the missing piece. It turns Nix into a living room console. You get a clean, controller-friendly interface, game library management, emulators, Steam integration, Flatpak support, and it boots straight into the IU like a real console. This is where the Steam Deck vibe comes in, but without the Steam Deck limitations. Here's the part everyone wants to know. Does it actually run games? Its short answer, yes. And shockingly well. Proton on Nix is the same Proton you get on Steam Deck. Test indie games, AAA titles, emulators, cloud gaming, browsers, games, and honestly, the OptiBox handles it all smooth, quiet, no Windows nonsense. This isn't about beating the Steam Deck. It's about owning your own hardware again. No forced accounts, no ads, no telemetry, no recommended anything. Just clean, open console that does exactly what you want and nothing else. Look, I'm not going to pretend it's perfect setup. Setup takes time. You need to edit the config file. Some controllers need manual tweaks. And if you break something, you fix it. But for me, that's part of the fun. And the rollback button saves you every time. If you want a console you can actually trust, that's the one. That's open, fast, and fully yours. Nix plus Quasar is the quietest thing we've got. The closest thing we've got. Sorry. This is the future of gaming for people who don't want to rent the tech anymore. Like, follow, and subscribe. We'll be back with more.